Today we're making a spooky and bougie sangria.
We love adding cognac to our red sangrias, so we ordered 2 bottles of this beautiful cognac, Branson's VSOP, for our spooky sangria.
Not only is this a very special bottle of cognac, but it is also 50 cents cognac, okay? And for the sangria, all you really need is a little bit.
Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit.
Baby girl.
I'm like, baby girl.
Baby girl.
Baby girl.
Just a little bit.
We order our booze through bottlerover.com, log onto their website or download their app to get booze delivered directly to your door.
It's 2020, it's time that you get booze delivered to your door, okay? You don't gotta go anywhere.
It's about that time. Yeah.
Let's open this beautiful bottle up.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. I almost don't want to open it.
I do though. I want to taste it.
We're gonna be sipping on this beautiful cognac as we make our sangria.
There's no other way. You gotta booze while you make the booze.
Is that a wrap? Are we wrapping it?
You gotta booze while you make the booze for your booze.
She went off.
On demand, on demand.
Ooh, I like that.
This is that rich.
This is going to give our sangria a really nice, rich flavor.
And it's gonna make me feel rich too. So we're about to get started on the sangria. This is the perfect drink to serve at any Halloween dinner party. It's a pitcher, serves 5 drinks or 7, depending. You're gonna enjoy it.
Love it.
Let's dive right in.
Grab your pitcher, fill it with ice, and add 7 ounces of lychee juice. Next, we're adding 3.5 ounces of both simple syrup and lemon juice. We're going to booze up our sangria with 3.5 ounces of lychee liqueur and 3.5 ounces of Branson Cognac. And now for the spooky part, these lychee eyeballs. These are very simple to make. All you need are lychees, stuff them with Concord grapes, and then soak them in red wine to give them that fresh out the body look.
Honestly, they're kind of hard to make because they're so delicious that you want to eat all of them. So
Good
maybe
point.
get 3 cans of lychees.
Yeah. Ooh, scary. Woo, I'm scared. Next, add 7 ounces of pomegranate juice and then top it all off with 1 bottle of red wine. All of it, guys.
We don't play.
To get your brew bubbling, throw in a chunk of dry ice. And always remember to proceed with caution when you're handling dry ice, okay? And if you're scared, don't do it.
Just don't do it.
Don't do it.
Just don't do it.
Yes.
Give me the eyeballs. Yum! To spooky season. So good.
So lychee is really like sweet and refreshing. Doesn't taste like dead bodies at all.
No.
Okay? It tastes delicious.
It doesn't taste like an eyeball would. It tastes like a piece of heaven.
That Branson is definitely coming through for us in this cocktail. It brought the flavor.
The richness.
Yes.
The bouginess.
Okay guys, now you need to go to bottlerover.com and order yourself some cognac, get yourself some red wine, some lychee liqueur, and make this boozy cocktail at home.
Go make some eyeballs. These are so fun.
Yeah.
And delicious.
If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.
And if you make any of our spooky cocktails, comment below and let us know. We want to know.
Yeah, did you like it?
We're truly interested.
Did you get your booze on?
Kind of gave me a little heart attack there.
I knew it was gonna scare you.
To get booze delivered directly to your door. To get booze delivered directly to your door. To get booze delivered directly to your door. You want that booze delivered to your door? Go to bottlerover.com and download the app. Whoa. Yo,
50.
somebody. Hello.
50 Cent, she's coming for your spot.